I came with my challenge.
So, what's your name?
That one is Mr.
Fedora. What's your name? $1. $1. We
Spana. Nah.
That's so.
Voila.
I got it, bro.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Move
Are you
it.
guys ready?
Yeah.
Game start.
Hey. Move it. Spana. This one they answer $1. Spana. They use donut. Let's go, Spana. Let's go, Spana.
Please don't get choked. Don't get choked.
Spana. Let's go, Spana. Hey, $1. Let's go, $1. Let's go. Shut down. Go. Say my go. Shut it down. Say my go.
Come inside.
Shut it down. Say my go. Fedora na edikwa ni o. Oye bu Fedora mo. Ball ko na agba. Shut down. Let's go. Shut down. Ale metu donut na ofe. Ona is on donut. Ona. Ale metu donut na ofe ko ona.
Please, the donut should be two only. Two only. Got the two the other side.
Let's go, Spana. Let's go.
Just eat with the nylon.
Hey,
drink water.
May no drink water. You guys should drink water. Let's go, Spana. Spana. Spana go top up with soup. Get me no for corner no we able. Spana food.
Hey!
You think that I cross you. Spana. Shut down.
Oh Jesus.
Shut down.
Drink water.
Shut down.
Shut down.
Wait, shut down. Shut down.
As positive, bro.
Let's go. Thank you.
Hey.
Let's go. Thank you. Let's go. Thank you. This is shut down.
$1, you don't care. You don't
Hey.
Spana.
This is shut down. Spana has done it again. Let's go.
Let's
Spana has done it again. Let's go.
Yes, bro.
Now you on that too.
Drink water. Drink water.
Drink water.
Let's go. Shut down.
Shut down.
Easy. You're free to give up.
Spana can never give up.
Just give up.
I dare with you, bro.
Just give up. We don't need. 2.
$1, swallow the chicken with the bone. Swallow the bone.
Let's go.
Swallow the bone. Finish the semona.
Naso.
No, the Insemo don't finish.
No, it ain't play to.
Don't worry. Maybe not started.
Spana, let's go. Start. Spana. Let's go. This is chicken peri-peri. This is a different meal, but this is chicken peri-peri. Chicken peri-peri. This is chicken peri-peri. Let's go, Spana. Let's go, Spana. Let's go. Thank you for us. Thank you for us. Hey, this is chicken peri-peri. Let's go. Let's go, bro.
Hey, bro, I
Shut
don't
down.
After this massage.
After massage.
After my turn.
It's hotel. Who shut them
I'm
down?
a massage you, bro.
Hey, let's go. We have massager in the back. Let's go.
Oh, Jesus.
Spana has done it again. Nobody can defeat Spana. Nobody can defeat Spana. Spana is the man of the food.
You're free to give up. Please, you're free to give up.
Everybody
Okay, wait, somebody's giving up already.
Who give up?
Mama, are you giving up?
Don't finish the chicken.
Are you giving up?
Don't give up. He don't give up.
If you give up,
Are you giving up?
if you give up, stand up. Make we
Let's go, Spana. Shut down.
Don't finish the chicken.
Oh, you teach her about it.
Give up.
I beg go.
Let's go. $1. I'm ashamed. You give up.
Are you giving up?
One.
Not you. Are you giving up?
Oga one. Wrap your quarrel. Give up now. Let's go, Spana. Shut down. I'm not go.
What are you telling me? What are you not telling me here? Hey!
Let's go, bro.
Oh, Jesus.
Give up. Don't do.
Let's go.
Hey, wait. Please, give up, please.
Let's go, Spanner.
Wait, Spanner.
Let's go.
Don't eat yet. Wait, hold on. Don't eat. Don't eat. Drop. No, you don't give up. Don't want. He's giving me style. I say, won't give up. Keep the meat, please. Keep the meat, Baba. Keep the meat. Just get up.
Clap for the winner.
Hold yourself.
Clap for the winner.
Hold on. I said never eat. Hold on. Are you ready again?
Yes.
Spanner, Abba.
Spanner is ready.
Spanner, don't finish the meat.
Don't finish all the
Spanner.
Let's go.
There's nothing here to
Let's go.
Are you giving up?
No. Oh yeah?
Hey, you still want to try?
Let's go, Spanner.
And they fear this challenge now. Wait, finish the one you have in your mouth. Finish the one you have in your mouth. Finish what you have in your mouth. Finish what you have in your
No,
mouth.
I bet no kill yourself.
Let's go, Spanner.
Let's go.
Spanner, let's go, bro. Shut down.
Swallow the bone.
Shut down.
Which has swallowed the bone?
Come on for my side.
Spanner, don't talk. Finish what you have in your mouth, Spanner. Finish what you have in your mouth. Just finish what you have in your
No,
mouth.
our mouth size with that. Nothing
Because
there
there's
inside
no
this mouth.
need. You have already won the game.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have seen that Spanner is unbeatable.
I swear.
He's undestroyable.
Ah!
He's unconquerable.
Oh, Jesus.
He's unmatchable.
There's a matchable.
$1 meat did that thing.
Wait. Oh, hello, ladies and gentlemen, please. We want to stop this challenge for now. And I think who is the winner is Spanner.
Yes.
Please.
Let us know in the comment section.
Hey, Chineke, you know Afayas na Spanner.
Afayas na Spanner.
Guys, please.
Spanner,
You don't win. You don't do before somebody will come
One
in.
person don't run.
You don't do, I beg.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Your winner is
Spanner!
Let's go. What you have in your mouth?
No.
You want for me, Tam? Go through one there.
Vomiting. Yeah.
Hey.
We need this thing when we are in Gabon. When we are in Gabon, no, don't do that. When we are in Gabon, we used to eat something we wrote.